Hello guys, and welcome to another DIY workshop tutorial. In this video we will show you how you can replace the coolant temperature sensor on a Passat B7. We have already replaced the DSG coolant temperature sensor on this car to rule it out as the cause for the false readings, and most of the job is identical to that one. If you want to check out that video, I will add it in the description. For this job all you will be needing is a flathead screwdriver, some long nose pliers, a 5mm hex bit, a squirt bottle with water and paper towels. We start by removing this cover secured with 3 clips as indicated in the video. Use a screwdriver to remove this plastic element. Disconnect that connector by pressing on the side clip. Remove this hose. Now you'll need to remove this hose clamp. You can do it with special color clamp pliers or with regular ones. However, be careful to release the clamp slowly so it doesn't break the plastic tubing. Next is that bolt, which you can remove with the 5mm bit or a 5mm Allen key. All you need to do now is to firmly pull upward on the air filter housing. The coolant temperature sensor is located over there. It's a hard area to reach, but if you are patient and a bit careful, it's really not that hard. First you need to remove the connector from the sensor. To have better visibility and access, we removed the intake pipe behind the engine cover. If you have small hands, you might be able to remove the sensor without doing it, so it's up to you whether you need to take it out or not. First you have to remove this hose. Then remove the bolt holding the manifold. Normally the bolt should stay inside the manifold due to a rubber ring, but as you can see, someone forgot to put it back. To release the manifold you have to twist it clockwise because down there it has like a small hook that fits into a groove. This is the groove and this is the plastic hook. The sensor is locked in place by a metal clamp that I will show you a bit later. The new sensor comes with a new one, but you must hold a firm grip on the pliers to take out the old one. So this is the clamp I was talking about. Now you can just pull out the old sensor and insert the new one. Don't forget to insert the metal clamp back in place and then the connector. Use water and paper towels to clean the coolant and then all the steps in reverse order. Take the car for a spin and top up the coolant following the instructions on the packaging regarding dilution. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a like or leave a comment and support the channel by subscribing for free. And don't forget, the DIY workshop helps you save money. Bye bye!